This is the handy cordless grass and hedge shear. My name's Adam Woolcott, I'm an award-winning gardener, and today we're going to talk you through everything you need to know about this product. This is everything you'll receive in the box. Very importantly, read the instruction manual before you use the machine. Firstly, we have the grass shears. Secondly, we have the hedge shears. This is the main unit the attachments fix onto, and this is the charging cable and plug. These are the features of the handy grass and hedge shear. First of all, we're going to talk about the grass shear with a runtime of up to 25 minutes. And this machine is absolutely fantastic for cutting all those awkward areas of grass where the mower won't reach. So for instance, around the base of flower pots, around garden furniture, at the base of fences and so on. So you can get that really pristine professional finish. Detaches very, very easily, very straightforwardly. Now we're going to attach the hedge trimmer attachment. This is great for those really, really small hedges. This has a runtime of up to 45 minutes. So you can use this for lavender hedges, you can use this for deadheading, you can use it for topiary and getting those really, really professional results and not getting sore fingers using secateurs all day long. Detaches very simply as well. When you want to charge up the machine, just plug the end of the cable into the machine and it takes about 3 hours to fully charge. Thank you for watching the handy. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. And for more tips, don't forget to subscribe.